Today I want to update you on some Tesla news and what's going on in my world. Last night I watched the Rodeo Giga Texas factory opening where they're going to build the new Cybertruck as well as the Model Y, and they're going to have the factory scale up to about 500,000 vehicles, which is awesome. As you know, I have an older rear-wheel drive Tesla Model S, which is a P85. It does have a rear tire issue because it's rear-wheel drive, 500 foot-pounds of torque, and it has some camber problems that are known with older Model S's. So I've got some Pirelli P0s delivered for the rear tires, and in order to fix the camber issue, I've got some camber control arms that I installed, and they're going to fix this camber issue that I'm having. I've loved the Model S ever since I first test drove it in Washington, D.C. back in 2013. It's funny that I drove a Mocha Model S and now I have one, but I got it for about a quarter of the price of a new one. I recently took my car up to a car show, which was really great. They even had an old Roadster there, which was amazing. And he upgraded the battery to the new battery, which is awesome. Now my old 2013 recently just crossed over the 130,000 mark, which is amazing. And it just still keeps going. I just love it. I'm really in love with this Tesla. So I got my tires in, I got my camber arms in, and I took it up to the Electrified Garage in Ocala, which they can do anything to an old Tesla out of warranty, which is great. They can even service the battery, they can do alignments, they can put on new tires for you. And being in this part of Florida, it's great to have Electrified Garage close by. Once the camber arms were installed, hopefully that will get rid of that. Then I got home, I had a software update. So the software update came in, which is really great. I'm glad that this old car still gets updates. It's amazing to have a 9-year-old vehicle that gets better and better. I mean, I still have Hulu, Netflix, car karaoke. I have a nice web browser. I can, look at Zillow while I'm driving down the road if you want. It's amazing. There's so much out there that people don't understand about electric cars. I hear it all the time about, there's not enough charging infrastructure or things like that. I've never had any problems charging. I've had hybrids, now fully electric. And you can even tow with these cars, which is amazing. Here's my friend with his Model 3. He tows a huge trailer with it. I'm at the charger today, and here's a Model Y going all the way from Florida to Texas, towing a little small trailer. And he says he has no problems. I even saw a guy with a 30-foot Airstream going from Florida to Washington, D.C., which was amazing. Over the last few weeks, it's amazing how many calls I've gotten about people that want to switch to electric. There's so many benefits, including the quiet ride, starting your climate control in your garage. And if you guys have any questions, please let me know. I've been supercharging for almost 2 years for free, as you see here, and it's basically a free way to drive, which is great. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.